Struggling to add an online store to your Hostinger site? Watch this and get your store live in under 5 minutes. Alright, so you have a Hostinger website and you want to start selling, but that little online store page just doesn't seem to exist yet. I know the feeling. It's frustrating when you know what you want to do, but the interface just isn't cooperating. But here's the good news. This is actually really simple once you know where to click, and I'm going to walk you through every single click so you can get a fully functional store page up and running. I'll show you exactly where to click to add a store page, set up products, and customize them. No guesswork, no wasted time. So let's start by opening up your Hostinger website builder. You should be on the main editing screen where you can see your current site. Take a look at the left-hand sidebar. That's your navigation panel for managing all your pages. Now look for the button that says Add Page. It's usually near the top of that sidebar. Give it a click. A menu will pop up with a few different page types you can choose from. You'll see options like Blank Page, About Us, Contact. But what we need is right there. Click on Online Store. This is a huge time saver because Hostinger will automatically generate the basic structure for a store page. It sets up the layout and everything you need for product listings. So now that the page is created, we need to add the actual product display. Look for the element called Product List. It should be one of the pre-built sections you can drag or click to add to your page. And click on that. This puts a grid of sample products on your page. But here is the really important part. You need to make sure customers can click on a product to see its full details. So look for a toggle switch or a checkbox labeled Show Individual Product. Go ahead and turn that on. If you don't enable this, each product will only be a static picture with no way to view the description or buy it. So make sure that toggle is on. Now click on the sample product that says Classic Cap. This is just placeholder content from Hostinger that we are going to replace with your actual product. Once you click on it, you'll see the editing options appear. Click on the product area to highlight it. This tells the builder, yes, this is the specific item I want to edit. Now find the field for the product name. This is where Classic Cap is written. Click on it and type in your own product name. Let's say you sell handmade mugs. You would type in something like hand-painted floral mug. Great. Now move down to the product description. It probably says something like, this is a sample product description. You can use it to describe your product. Click on that text and replace it with a real description. Tell people what makes your product special. Talk about the size, the materials, the color. Next up is the price and the image. Look for the price field and set your price. Let's say you decide on $25. Just type that in, then click on the product image area. This will let you upload your own photo from your computer. Hostinger makes it really easy to drag and drop a picture right in there. So we just customized one product. But you probably want to sell more than just one thing, right? So here's the great part. You can repeat this exact same process for each additional product. Just click on the next sample item, whether it's a watch or a bag or whatever, and then edit the name, the description, the price, and the image. It works exactly the same way every time. Once you have all your products added and looking good, it's time to make it live. Find the Publish button. It's usually in the top right corner of the screen. Click it and confirm. And just like that, your store is live on the internet. Your customers can browse your products, read the descriptions, and get ready to buy. Thanks for sticking with me through that. You now have a fully functioning online store page, and you can add or edit products whenever you want. If this was helpful, give the video a like and I will catch you in the next one.